Hey friends, welcome back. Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and we're on another trip. And in this time, we're in Temecula, California. In this video, we're going to accomplish a number of things. The first one is we're going to walk around the park and we're going to talk to RV owners and ask them what kind of RV do they own, how long have they had it, what they like most, what they like least, and if there's a particular RV park they've been to, they would recommend you go check out as well. So that's the first thing we're going to do. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to open our RV up for an open house. So we're going to invite people over, and for the ones who feel comfortable getting on video, we're going to get their responses, what they thought as they went through and checked out our brand new Newmar Freedom Aire. So because we're in Temecula, California, this is known as wine country. There are almost 250 vineyards with about 49 wineries, all fairly close proximity to where we are here at the Pechanga RV Resort. We want to take you along on a ride through wine country with us. So we found this company, Sidecar, that, as you can see here, has a really unique way to take guests around the vineyards here. So we're gonna get on this motorcycle. Amy and I are both gonna get in this sidecar, and we're gonna show you around and take you to a couple wineries. Let's go. Okay, so first person we wanted to get their thoughts on is Deborah here. So Deborah, tell us, what kind of RV do you have?
We have a Renegade Vienna.
Okay, and you've had it for how long?
Since 2019.
Okay, so quite a while.
Yep.
Is there something that you really love about it so far?
You know what? We love the full wall slide, which gives me a whole lot of interior space on the RV.
Yeah. How about the opposite side? Anything that you wish they would have changed or you really don't care for so far?
You know what? The full wall slide gives us our bed that folds over. If it had the bed in the back that didn't fold over, that would be so much easier. But other
So you have a Murphy bed then?
Yeah.
Okay.
But otherwise, we love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my last question for you.
Sure.
Is there a particular RV park you've been to that you go, wow, that was amazing? If anybody's in that area, you would recommend it?
Buellton, California. It's flying flags. It's tight. The RVs are tight together, but it has something for everybody. So you can rent a vintage trailer, a safari tent, cabins, if you have an RV, something for everybody. So we go there with big groups.
We've been there. That's an awesome. So it's kind of like tiered right up the mountain there, overlooking the water.
Yep.
Yeah, and that is beautiful. The one thing I wasn't expecting, I don't know if you found this, like every morning starts off with all that ocean overcast, right? And then that burns off a little bit.
That's normal.
Yeah. But it's so nice because like now, this time of year in the middle of summer, it's like only 70 degrees there.
Perfect.
It is. We should go there now.
All right, there you go.
All right, thanks, Deborah. Okay, next up I found Jim here. So Jim, thanks for taking a couple minutes with us. Tell everybody what kind of RV you have.
Well, I have an Integra Esteem 2024.
Okay.
And 32 foot.
Okay.
My wife and I downsized from a 36-foot
A-class?
fifth wheel.
Okay. Oh, a fifth wheel.
Fifth wheel. So a little easier for us to handle.
Did you buy it new?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what's one thing you really love so far on it?
Well, it travels nicely, and it's got just about as much living space as my big fifth wheel trailer had.
Okay.
So, and not too bad.
So what would you say the big difference is when people think about going from a trailer to like a motor coach?
Well, in my case, it was physical. I lost some depth perception in my eyes, and I wasn't confident backing a fifth wheel in. And because this doesn't bend in the middle, I can get it in pretty easily.
Yeah, well, that makes sense. Is there anything you have found that you don't care for so much on this?
I don't like the fact that it's so low to the ground. You have to be real careful on how you drive in and out of gas stations and
We have definitely found the same.
curbs and things. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one. So my last question for you, is there an RV park you've been to in all your ventures that you would recommend that others go to if they're in that area?
We're actually from Arizona,
Okay.
and we come to California quite often, and we've been at most of the beaches and things. The Sun Country in Chula Vista, I think they call
Sun
it
Outdoors?
Sun Outdoors.
Yes.
It's pretty nice.
It is. We were just there this week,
Were you?
last week. Yeah, at Sun Outdoors in Chula Vista. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's
Yeah, it is.
It's
a
very
nice
much a
one.
glamping feel.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, and I'm getting big into that.
I'm with you. I'm with you. We are too. We like that. So, no, that's a great one to recommend. What part of Arizona are you from?
Tucson.
Okay, very good. Well, thanks for taking a couple minutes with us.
You bet.
All right. Next up, I found my buddy Mike here. And Mike, if you don't mind, let me ask you just a few questions about, first, what do you own?
This is a Forest River Forester Mercedes Sprinter.
Yeah. And you bought it new.
Yes, we bought it new.
And that was 3 years ago?
No, less than 2.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you were telling me you did a cross-country trip in it.
Correct. Yes, we did a trip to Mississippi and then Georgia, and after that we started in near the headwaters of Route 66,
Okay.
just south of Chicago, and we followed Route 66 back to California
Nice. Nice.
and made several stops on the way.
So you've put some miles on it. What's the thing you like the most?
I love the cruise control, the maneuverability of the motorhome. We tow a car and it tows it just fine, so I can't hardly complain about that.
Oh, nice. That's a question a lot of people have about the Sprinter vans is it stout enough to tow a vehicle?
It does our car very well. Our car is about 3,500 pounds, and it's just like our national motorhome that we had before. You hardly know it's behind you.
Nice. That's awesome. So my guess would be there's probably one thing that you maybe wish that they would have done different or you kind of dislike about it so far. Is something pop to mind that?
Yeah. The one thing, I wish it had a bigger fuel tank.
Oh, okay.
It has about a 25-gallon fuel tank, and so it'll give us a range of less than 300 miles for sure. And
Well, especially if you're towing something.
yeah, especially towing, and then when you're getting low, you're never really sure how low you are or how many miles you got. I would love to increase the fuel tank by 10 gallons.
Now, is this the first time you've been to Pechanga here?
Oh, no.
Okay.
We've been coming here for 25 years.
Oh, wow.
26 years. We've stayed here in this campground well over 50 times.
So it must be somewhere up there on the you like it level.
Well, we like it. Security is great. The people here are great.
Yeah.
It's always very clean. We can hop their shuttle bus somewhere and they'll take us around the grounds if we need it.
Yeah, very nice. Well, thank you for letting me disturb your happy hour here this afternoon, this evening.
Of course.
And I appreciate you taking some time to tell us what you think.
You're more than welcome.
All right, thank
very
you.
much for the visit.
Yeah. Terry and Phyllis just walked through our Freedom Aire, and I wanted to get their first impressions and share it with you guys. So I'll start with you, Phyllis. What do you think?
It's beautiful. It's just perfect. Everything. The reclining chairs, I love that.
Yeah?
The bed, I think, might be a little high for me, but it's kind of cool. I didn't even notice there wasn't a bed in it.
I know. Well, that's a good thing. It kind of hides away when you don't need it.
I'm like, wow.
Yeah. What do you think,
great.
Terry?
I really liked it. I think that it's something that we really consider in the future. I like it's really big inside for as small as it looks outside, and I like the storage, and everything's really well contained and thought out. I thought so. It was very good.
Because you guys have a big A class right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, we have a 30. It's not.
Okay.
It's not
Yeah.
huge, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
But-
and it's a Newmar.
But it's kicking around in your mind, maybe a little smaller would be better.
As we get older, as we
Yeah.
get older.
Yeah,
it's
you're not old
so
enough
smart.
yet.
Well, we're close. Yeah, thank you. Thank
Well,
you very much.
I'm with you. I appreciate the feedback, guys. Thank
Alrighty,
you.
well, thank you. Good
Okay,
luck.
so Deborah, you just walked through
I did.
our Freedom Aire.
All right.
Interested in your initial thoughts?
You know, you have a lot of room. We have room as well in ours. However, your full wall slide is very accommodating. We don't have the seating that you have, but the quite impressive is the countertop that you have. I don't have near the countertop that you do, so which is really nice. It's very light. It's very airy. You have the extra bed, which we do not, but it has all of the things you need, which is the shade, the light, a little privacy if you wanted to throw some kids up there or whatever. But,
that's right.
No, I like it. It's very contemporary. It looks very nice.
Thank you. Well, we appreciate you walking through
Yeah,
the
sure,
Freedom Aire.
thanks.
So Dan, I'll start with you.
Well, the first thing that caught my attention is this coach has a king size bed, and that for guys like me that are 6'4", that's a must have.
Yeah.
So
And the
that's
height.
impressive. Yes, and several inches above my head as I walk through.
Yeah.
So they've packed a lot in there.
Yeah.
For sure.
What about you, Dan?
Yeah, I liked that they had a king bed too. We had to go to a much larger motorhome to get the king bed and to a 40-footer, which is too long in my opinion. So this is beautiful. I like it. It's nice and open.
Because you guys have a Newmar now, right?
We have a Newmar, we have a Ventana, and this is really nice. I mean, I was surprised my husband's 6'4" that he could walk around in there.
Yeah.
So I love it. It's really bougie like the Newmars always have. I love that.
Gotta have the bougie.
That's right.
I gotta have the bling.
Because you got to be glamping, not camping.
Oh yeah, we glamp. We don't camp. Anyway, it's just gorgeous.
Awesome.
I would recommend this RV for sure.
Thank you guys for checking it out.
You're welcome.
All right,
No, it's very nice. It's actually surprising the materials that you guys have in there versus being such a small coach. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love the two different color countertops. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I was very impressed.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Beautiful. Well, thanks for checking it
Oh,
out.
my pleasure. Thanks for showing us.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had a great time on the motorbikes. That is the best way to see wine country.
I think so. I
We
agree.
Ubered to the first winery, and then he took us the back roads. If you didn't want to go the back roads, you didn't have to, but it was much more fun. We learned a lot about the Temecula area because this is a particularly good chauffeur that we had. But it was,
I don't know if that's what you call him, a chauffeur on a motorcycle, but
I think it's a chauffeur.
okay, we're going to go that.
If somebody drives me anywhere, they're a chauffeur.
Oh, what about me?
You're my chauffeur.
There you have it. I learned something
Yeah,
new.
my sugar daddy. Anyway, that was fun. And Temecula is beautiful in itself. Pachanga's RV park they have mature trees. There's a lot of nice shade here. The pool was in use constantly. It's packed right now. And we walked over to check out the spa area. We've been there before. We didn't do that this trip, but for a daily fee, you can go to the spa, you can use the gym, and they have a huge outdoor family pool. And then they have a sectioned off area for adults only, which is pretty nice. Then the spa itself has its own private pool. So there is something for everyone here. And the restaurants are great inside the resort, and the casino is there. It's a huge casino. So whatever gaming you like to do, if any, you can get it done here.
Yeah, and that's what we're probably going to go do next. But thanks for hanging in there. I want to shout out to the folks who interview them about their RVs and the folks that came and didn't mind being on film
Yeah.
to tell you what they thought about after they walked through our new Freedom Aire.
We met some fun people.
Yeah. So, and we did partner with Newmar, by the way, just as full disclosure. And part of what we're doing is kind of showcasing and getting other people's opinions on the Freedom Aire as we travel around. And we
getting
enjoy the heck out of that.
Just getting feedback on their first Class C model.
Yeah, so with that said, thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope all your future RV trips are optimized. See you on the next video.